Hey, I'm Jimmy Dillon. I'm going to show you 5 ways to play the B chord. Leave a comment down below, that'd be great. The first one is right here. That's a bar chord, okay? So that's our first version of the B chord, you can see that. The second one, I move up and it's like an A shape. So if you played an A like this, okay, move up 2, one full step, okay? That's your second B chord, looks like that. Then we're going to go to the third one, which is just a straight ahead bar chord, okay? On the 7th fret, that's your straight ahead B chord. See that? Then the next one we're going to do a D shape, so you know how to do a D down here. Move it all the way up here, and it looks like this. Okay, that's number 4. And then we're going to do an extension of that in the C shape. Okay, you can see that looks like a C. So you're going to have to change your fingering here from this to barring these first 3, and then your second finger in the octave B note. And then we're going to go all the way up here. It looks like a C shape. That's a bit of a stretch, but it comes in handy because it fits right in with the whole cage thing. So that's your C. So we got 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.